Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing both devices so mirroring works reliably. First, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your Android. This allows direct streaming or ADB tethering. Next, install and open your chosen Mac receiver app, Air Server, Reflector, or another, and grant any prompts. This is why the Mac app is needed. It receives and decodes the Android stream. Finally, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, or plug the phone to the Mac with USB and confirm the ADB connection. That minimizes latency and avoids discovery issues. Once done with setup, initiate mirroring from the Android side. Pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or go to Settings Connected Devices Cast, then choose the Mac receiver shown. If you prefer USB for stability, enable ADB. Run a quick command like a db tcpip 5555 on the Mac, then connect to the device IP. This creates a direct stream. Make sure to adjust resolution and orientation in the receiver app so the image fits. Also enable audio forwarding when you need system sound on the Mac. You finish by verifying smooth playback and handling common problems. Confirm the mirrored screen shows touch input and audio. If video stutters, close heavy apps or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and reduce mirror resolution to 720p. This lowers CPU and network load. If the Mac does not appear, restart both devices, check they share the same subnet, and temporarily disable firewall rules that block the receiver. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the receiver app and reinitiate casting. That often clears discovery or codec handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.